What's up, everyone? So just as you read from the title, I'm about to show you guys how exactly I made $100 and more in a single day on Binance. So I actually made this amount every single day for close to a week and a half, right, before market changes came in, right? So before some of you start running away or start getting scared that this is probably some very complex, high volatility or high risk trading, which may involve a lot of losses and risks in the market, no, this is not one of those. This is actually the opposite. So it's a very, very simple, actually one of the safest forms of trading, right, that you have on Binance, and that is in the P2P session. Now I'd like to add that you would not find this type of videos on YouTube. What I'm about to teach you guys is mostly in paid mentorships. I actually learned this myself from my mentor, and I decided to make a video about it here on my channel for you guys, right? So if you want to return the favor, you could also subscribe to this channel and give this video a like to help the YouTube algorithm and generally support this channel's growth. So with all that out of the way, now let's jump straight into the video. So just as I already said, we are going to be in the P2P session of Binance, right? So if you want to find that, you can just click on the trade button below and then you click on P2P. So for those who may not know what the P2P is all about, it is just peer-to-peer transactions, right? So you are going to be buying from other people and selling to other people. What are we buying and selling? We are buying cryptocurrencies, specifically USDT for this that I'm about to show you guys. So on a normal day, when you come to the Binance P2P section, you are going to find very little price difference between the buying price and then the selling price, right? From experience, you are going to find very little difference in the pricing, right? But then on certain days or on certain occasions, due to a change in the global forex market, right, there's usually a change in the rates at this certain point in time, right? So most of the people you are going to find in the P2P sessions will be Nigerians. That is, if you are in Ghana trading on the P2P session, most of them are going to be Nigerians who have the best rates on the market, right? So let me try and demonstrate what I'm trying to say to you. So when you go to the buy section right now, you are going to find the current price of 1 USDT to be 13, as at the time of making this video, right? 1 USDT is 13.38 Ghana cedis, right? And if I keep scrolling, you find slightly higher prices, but then the lowest price right now that you can get 1 USDT is that, right? So let's now go to the sell side and see how much you can sell that USDT for, right? So what are we having here? We are having 15.20, right? So let's do the calculation real quick. So we have 15.20 minus 13.38, right? And now what do we have? 1.82, right? So it looks like a very small figure, but this is what does the magic for us, right? So we are going to multiply this now by, let's first say 10, and we have 18.2. So this means that if we should buy 10 USDT right now at its current price, and then we sell it off, we are going to make 18 cedis or 18.2, let's just say 18 cedis profit, right? So it gets bigger. Now here's what we do, right? Or here's what I was doing back then. So we trade with high amounts or large capitals, right? So when you multiply this by some more zeros, you can just see the difference that you make within a single trade, a single buy and a single sell off, right? So this is what we were doing during this period on the market. Now you can see we are making 180 per each trade, right? So this is your profit margin, right? So now you may be thinking, what if you do this trade on the P2P and then you get scammed or someone runs off with your money? No, that is not going to happen with these little tips that I'm about to teach you guys. So if you should go into your Binance app again, now Now you take notice of each buyer, right, or customer. So when you click on that, their profile is going to pop up, and then you're going to read everything about the person right here. Before I even go any further, let me let you know that it's very difficult to get scammed in the Binance P2P session, although some people have complained about scammers. But then the reason being that before you make any transaction, Binance first of all freezes the assets, and then if you are a seller, you would have to confirm payment first of all from your side, the correct amount that the buyer sends to you before you initiate the transaction, right? So there's no way of you getting scammed. But then if you want to be double sure, when you click on the person's account details, you're going to find the name. So this particular person has a verification badge from Binance, which shows that he's a verified merchant. Another thing very important is to look at the trading volume, right? So how many trades he has taken in the past 30 days. In this case, it is 651, right? That is so many trades. And also look at the completion rate, and that is 95.31. So that is very, very good. In fact, very, very good. Like, I'm even short of words. So anything from 80 upwards is really great. If you would remember the first merchant, he had a completion rate of 69, right, which is not too good. So you look at these things before engaging with any merchant here on the P2P session. So if I should, or let's say now, because we trust this particular guy, we want to trade with him, and his rate is 15.15, right? So let's do that calculation and see if it's still going to be profitable for us. So now let's do 15.15 minus 13.38, and that will give us 1.7. So this is 1 CD, 77 pesos, right? So now when we multiply this now by, let's say, 1,000, you are already making a profit of 1,770 cedis, which when changing into dollars, it's even a little over $100, right? So this is how it works. There is a few barriers when it comes to payment method, because like I said, most of them are going to be Nigerians. You are going to need certain bank accounts, like EcoBank and certain other payment softwares, like the send up payment gateways or apps that allow transfer of funds among African countries, right? So not to bore you too much with the nitty-gritty, but that is what it's all about, right? So this is how I made more than $100 on Binance P2P trading. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and then leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions or ideas, or generally any contributions. You can just put it in the comment section below. Also, if you want to sign up for Binance, and other necessary links will be in the description of this video. So thanks for watching. I hope you found value in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed.